Tense showdown at the water's edge. The lion came to drink. The crocodile came to defend its territory. After a fierce clash of power and patience, just pure survival instinct. At first the lion thought the water was completely safe, but something underneath was already watching. Wild animals can be unpredictable. This lion learned the hard way not to underestimate a crocodile. In the wild, even monsters aren't safe from each other. A massive crocodile locks onto a smaller one, silent, patient, deadly. In seconds, the bigger crocodile strikes. There is no escape. But why does this happen? Crocodiles are highly territorial predators. When food is scarce, or during competition for space, they don't hesitate to attack other crocodiles. Even their own species becomes a source of survival. In the wild, survival always comes first. Crocodiles are known for cannibalism, especially larger individuals preying on smaller or weaker ones. This happens due to territorial dominance, food scarcity, natural size-based hierarchy. Subscribe to Boom Clips for more crazy animal moments, feeding videos, and shocking wildlife encounters. Silent, patient, unstoppable. In seconds, the tiny mouse becomes dinner. This frog may look slow, but its strike is lightning quick. Nature can be brutal, even inside a glass tank. The chase is on, and the mice have nowhere to hide. In the African wilderness, there is one animal feared far beyond its size, a creature so fearless that even top predators think twice before attacking. This tiny warrior had just spotted something incredible, a giant honeycomb hanging from a dead tree, covered by thousands of angry bees. Most animals would stay far away, but not the honey badger. Without hesitation, the fearless animal climbed straight toward the swarm. Bees stung its face, its eyes, its body, but the honey badger refused to stop. Then finally, jackpot. The badger ripped open the hive and began devouring the sweet honey and wax while thousands of furious bees swarmed around it. But the danger wasn't over. A hungry pack of hyenas had been watching the entire time, patiently waiting below. They knew the honey badger would eventually have to come down. And the moment its paws touched the ground, chaos exploded. The pack surrounded the tiny animal from every direction. But honey badgers are famous for one thing: they never surrender. The fearless creature launched itself directly at the much larger hyenas, biting, clawing, and fighting with unbelievable aggression. Then suddenly, the honey badger locked its jaws onto one hyena's leg with a brutal bite. The injured hyena cried out in panic as the badger refused to let go. And just like that, the rest of the pack lost their courage. One by one, the predators turned and ran. But the wounded hyena couldn't keep up. Moments later, the exhausted animal collapsed from the injury, while the fearless honey badger stood victorious. Tiny, relentless, and absolutely fearless. This is why the honey badger is one of the most dangerous animals in the wild. No claws, no teeth, just pure ambush power.